guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a dark spot corrector cream for dark armpits, dark inner thighs and dark knee. So if you have any part of your body that is dark, like your armpits, your inner thighs, your knee, then you need to watch this video and make this cream to get rid of the dark areas in your body. This is not a face cream. This is not a body cream. This is just specifically for those with dark armpits, dark inner thighs, dark knee. You're not supposed to rub this on every part of your body. And we're going to be using our distilled water. Now everything here has been cleaned well from germs with some 99% alcohol. So you should make sure you're using clean equipment. So we're going to be using our distilled water. I have everything measured out. I'll be leaving the measurements down below. Here we have our distilled water. Here we're using our aloe vera gel, our glycerin. We also have in here we have our baking soda. So because the baking soda is in here, you're not allowed to use this on your face or on your body. No. Because a lot of people react to baking soda, so you cannot use this as a body cream or as a face cream. No, please guys, no, don't do that. Face cream are carefully made, you know. So in here we have our wax, our stearic acid and our shea butter. I'll leave the ingredients down below. And in here we have our propylene glycol. And in here we have our kojic acid. So now the two ingredients that would help with lightening are our baking soda and our kojic acid. Now baking soda has our kojic acid and our lemon essential oil. These are the three ingredients that would help with the lightening. Now baking soda and lemon has amazing benefits. Especially baking soda, it has amazing benefits in minimizing the armpit odor as well. If you're the kind of person that sweats a lot from your underarm, then you need to make this cream. Baking soda would help to absorb the sweat from the underarm. Meanwhile, the lemon will help to kill the bacterial growth in the area, which is, you know, one of the primary reasons for bad odor. So this will get rid of bad odor from your armpits and also lighten dark armpits. Because imagine, you know, looking fine and raising up your hand and your armpit is dark. That's embarrassing, guys. So these are everything. And then we have our preservative, and I have my vitamin E, and we have our ethylene glycerin. I'll leave all the ingredients below, so in case I don't pronounce anyone correctly, you can still get the ingredients. So first thing first, before we can make cream, we need to heat our distilled water and our wax. In here I have my wax, stearic acid and shea butter. Shea butter is really nice. So we need to heat these two to a certain temperature, which is about 140 degrees. We need to heat this to a certain temperature. So I'm going to put this in my warm water bath and allow this to heat up to that temperature. Then I'll bring you guys back. Just before I put this on, I'm going to measure in my glycerin in my water, and I'm using 3 grams of my glycerin. I'm going to measure in my glycerin in here and then heat my water and my wax to the same temperature before I can make my cream. So I'm going to put 3 grams of my glycerin in my water. I'm using whitening glycerin. You can use any type of glycerin. If you don't have whitening glycerin, you can use any type of glycerin, but I'm using whitening glycerin. So yeah. So I've put in my glycerin inside my water, and now I'm going to heat this to the same temperature. Like I said, guys, you cannot make cream like this. You need to heat this to a certain temperature before you can make a good cream. Now our baking soda is going to go in. I've put my distilled water and my e-wax in my warm water bath for it to dissolve and for the water to heat to a certain temperature. Now my baking soda is going to dissolve in my water, so I'll keep that aside. That will go in my water base. This is water base. So now I want to dissolve my kojic acid. Sorry guys, I want to dissolve my kojic acid. I'm going to dissolve my kojic acid in my propylene glycol. You can dissolve your kojic acid in water. Kojic acid dissolves easily in water. I'm going to dissolve mine in my propylene glycol, and yeah, I'm going to heat this to about 30 degrees. You know, you can only dissolve kojic acid in warm water bath between 25 degrees to 40 degrees. Yeah, so 30 degrees is a good place to start with. So I'm going to heat this up to 30 degrees, and I'm going to dissolve my kojic acid inside it. I hope you guys can see. So I'm going to go heat this up. So guys, our water and oil are in the same temperature now. So okay, so I'm going to put in my I'm going to dissolve in my baking soda. I'm going to put my baking soda inside here. I'm going to just stir. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm doing. I'm videoing this by myself, so I've dissolved my baking soda inside here. So now I'm going to pour my oil in my water. Normally I recommend you pour the water in your oil so you can get every residue of oil inside here, but as you can see, my oil container is quite small, so I'm going to do it the other way around. But normally I love to pour my water in my oil. It's easier for me to get all this residue inside. So after pouring my water in my oil, I'm going to stir. Okay, I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm doing, but I'm going to stir this properly. Remember, we have baking soda inside here, so it's going to foam. If baking soda does not foam, it's not baking soda. It's going to foam a bit, so but that's not a problem. It's going to calm down when the temperature reduces. So I'm going to stir this, and I'm going to use my hand blender, sorry, my little blender, the whisk, because this is just like a little quantity, so I'm not going to use my hand blender for this because we're not making so much, just a little quantity. So I'm going to use my whisk. So guys, this is my whisk I'm using. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing properly, but I hope you all can see. And so I'm just going to like whisk with this. Trying to, sorry, this stuff is so small and I have to hold it like continuously. You can use your hand if you want to, but I love to use either my hand blender or my whisk, so it's much more easier for me. Oops. So I've been whisking this for like close to 5 minutes. I'm gonna put in my aloe vera gel. inside, and I'm using 3 grams of my aloe vera gel. I use aloe vera gel for almost everything I make, so it's not anything new. I'm just going to mix this inside. Wow. I'm going to stir this up so you can see the foam has reduced. I don't know if you guys can see the foam has reduced. Yeah, the foaming from the baking soda has gone down, so I'm just going to like mix my aloe vera gel inside properly. Remember, you cannot use this for your face because whatever you're making in your face, before using you must test the pH. Baking soda has a really high pH level, so please do not use this on your face or on your body as your body cream. This is just for dark armpits, dark inner thighs and dark knee. Like a particular spot in your body that is dark. It's like a treatment cream. It's not a face cream or something you just rub on your face, no. It's more or less like a treatment cream. If I'm going to make a video of how to make a face cream, at the ending you need to test the pH, and I don't use baking soda in making my face cream because a lot of people are allergic to baking soda, so I don't feel baking soda should be in face cream. It's just something you use to treat a particular problem and then you stop using it. So I'm just whisking this to make sure it's in properly so you can see. Can you see? I don't know. I'm gonna take this back a bit. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. But after that, I'm gonna put in my kojic acid, which I dissolved in my I dissolved my kojic acid in my propylene glycol. So I'm just going to put that inside. So I'm putting my kojic acid inside. And I'm scraping everything. I'm just going to mix this in. I'm mixing my kojic acid inside. I'm just stirring. Guys, so our temperature has reduced. This is our cream. This is what it looks like. And it's very thick. Because obviously it's not so thick, but like you can see it. So I'm going to put in my final stage in here. And that's our vitamin E. I'm using 1/4 of a teaspoon to put in our vitamin E oil. I'm so tired, guys. going to put in my ethyl glycerin inside, and I'm also using 1/4 of a teaspoon, and I'm not filling it, just a little. This is like a preservative booster, so and I'm going to put in my preservative, and I'm also using 1/4 of a teaspoon. Preservative is 1%, so you don't need so much, but you need a preservative, guys. If you're going to make this cream, you need to use a preservative. I don't know, except it's not something you want to use for so long, probably like a week, but you still have to store it in the refrigerator. But to me, you need a preservative, because this is not a first cream, so it's not something you will finish within a week. Like this one I'm making now will last me a month. A month, guys, a month or two. Let's say 1 month. Because it's not a face cream, neither is it my body cream. Just for my armpits and inner thighs. So yeah. So last but not the least is our lemon essential oil. You need to add your lemon essential oil. Lemon has lightening properties and helps with antibacterial also. And it also has like a nice smell, so it's also like a fragrance for your cream. Yeah, so I'm just gonna mix that in. Yeah, so I'm going to be storing my cream here, which I'm going to spray with my isopropyl alcohol, 99% alcohol. I'm going to spray and put my cream in here. You want to make sure wherever you're putting your cream is cleaned and free from germs. So I'm going to clean that and put in my cream. So this is your dark spot corrector cream. Please do not use this cream on your face. Please do not use it on your body as your body cream. Only use it on areas like your dark armpits, dark knees, dark inner thighs, and if you also have like a dark VJ, you can also use this. I don't say you should put it inside though. I hope you guys understand. Anyways, we've come to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave your comment on videos you would love me to make for you. Until I come again, be blessed. Bye guys.